So the time now, I'll show you guys. It's already 2 o'clock in the morning. So I think it's really time for me to sleep now. And yeah, I'll see you guys tomorrow. What is this? What is that? Alright guys, we're on the road. I've never been driving on highway in like, I don't know, maybe 1 to 2 months already. Because like, you know, last time we always used to drive to uni and stuff. I don't know why I have some mixed feelings. Probably because I haven't been driving like a decent distance for quite some time now. So yeah, kind of nervous but kind of excited also. So it's quite interesting to see that. And remember the shoe I showed you just now? Yeah, the white thing, like the stone thing, turns out to be a beehive. I don't know how it managed to actually build a beehive there and why. Probably because the shoes smell or anything, but we'll figure out something when we come back. Alright guys, as you can see, the good old Sunway Jam is back. Oh my god. I don't know if I should be happy to see this again or not, but yeah, now you can see. God, look at the water puddle. Shit. Oh my god. Okay guys, this is the Sunway City during CMCO. Not much difference except the fact that there's less car. Yes, or probably I already got through the jam hour, I don't know. Nothing special, like I said. And yeah, it seems quite quiet. Okay, before we go down, we need to practice social responsibility to make sure we don't get infected. So the time now is 11:02. So before we go down, we're going to wait for one more guy. I won't tell you guys the name. I'll put a little like a small video clip from previous video. And I think you guys may be able to recognize who he is. Okay, so now I'm going to call the bugger. I think he said he'll call me when he reach, but it's already 11:30. So I'm gonna try call him. I collect then I straight away 走咯。
There,
Ah.
okay, 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 okay.
Okay,
Alright,
okay.
alright.
Okay, so the bugger can't come because there's some stuff happened to his car. So yeah, I guess we'll go ourselves then. Let's go. Okay, so we've collected my graduation photo. Let's have a look. Oh shit! Why? They edited my face? What the fuck? Look at this. And then look at this. Okay, so I will briefly tell you guys what's going on inside. When you first go in, like the entrance, you're required to scan a QR code, and then when you scan your QR code, you get something like this, Salanka.my, and what you have to do is you have to register your name and your phone number, so you don't have to actually touch the pen and write it on the book. For the photo, you're not allowed to go inside the studio. You're required to wait outside, and then the staff there will pass you the photo, and just like the entrance, you need to write down your name and IC and stuff. So yeah, I think this is a really I would say good cooperation in order to follow the social discipline and social responsibility, which is good. So yeah, I think it's time for us to go home now. So let's hit the road again. Okay, now I've almost reached home. Since I'm almost home, I might as well go check out what the bugger's happening, because he said something happened to his car. So yeah, let's go kepo and see if anything happened. Now what you do to your car?
It's not my doing. This is wear and tear. Okay.
Okay, so I'm back home now, and I'm going to take a short shower, then we'll settle with the shoe. Oh wait, I think I can use this. Okay, so I have successfully cleaned up the shoe and get rid of the beehive. So yeah, I guess that's it for this time's vlog. If you guys enjoy, then make sure to leave a like and share with your friends. And yeah, of course, if you want to watch more vlogs like this, you can subscribe to my channel if you guys haven't already. And yeah, I think that's it for this time's video. So see you next time.